All right. Hello, people. This is JV right here. Been wanting to do this for a minute and start recording this progress, this process. Uh, been at it for about 3 years now. 3 years now. So it's been a beautiful ride, and I just feel that I could help a lot of y'all beginners uh with a lot of good info, good knowledge that will save you a lot of time and could help you out, benefit you in the long run. So hopefully I could help somebody out here. But yeah, so I'm just gonna get started in some of these pairs here. I'm gonna be doing 4 pairs at a time. I'm thinking of making separate videos if this lasts longer than let's say 15-20 minutes or so. So but we'll see how this goes. USDCAD right here, and some of them I might just clear them out and start over. That way y'all can see how I came up with what. But this one's pretty solid. Um, on this weekly chart, this was a nice breakout. Came and retouched and came up here before it finally tanked. So some people are thinking of buying here. I know some people are trying to swing this because this is weekly. I know a lot of people are like, man, I look at hourly or whatnot. This is just how I trade, and you'll see more along the way if you start liking the videos and you know I'm gonna post videos Sundays, Tuesdays, and Fridays to see how the week has progressed. But yeah, so right here I see this continuing all the way down to our zone that we have been having for a while. To touch there, so we can go down to the daily. I'm gonna break this down for you guys to give you my prediction. We're gonna go through this throughout the week, like I said. So right now I'm looking at USDCAD. Um, as dropping down one. All right, so we're gonna put a retracement on this. Try to see where it would retouch before it drop back down. Right. So this is kind of what I am gonna go for. Let's go down to the 4-hour spectrum. Oh. We're gonna put this on this whole zone. Let's say 1, 2, yeah, 50 to 60. And we're gonna put stop loss right about there right now. That's what it's looking like right about now. On my point of view, but we're gonna keep zooming into this. All right, so get this out of here. All right, so I believe it is in a retracement now, and I believe that it will end up around that zone that we had said. and it'll go something like uh, like this. Something along that sort, and just keep on going. So that's what I see on USDCAD at the moment. Some people are thinking about swinging the buy. That's where I'm a little iffy on that one. I think we're overall gonna see it drop to our zone we have over here. So just keep an eye on that. Once it starts doing some sideways movement around our 50 to 61.8, then we could get a tighter stop loss. Other than that, right now you're looking at a 100 to 400 pip stop loss. So then we're gonna move on out. All right. Well, I'm gonna show you one last thing on this one. All right, so on this weekly, this is something real nice that I have been looking at for a while. Right here, the teacup, boom, you see that? Oh, beautiful, beautiful teacup. So, um, yeah, so I'm expecting this to end up booming, going all the way up eventually along these weeks, months, 2022. So yeah, that is what I see on that. That is a long-term view. And all right, so you know, disclaimer. Yeah, I haven't put this at the beginning, but I'm gonna say this right now, and I'm gonna say this at the end, and I'm gonna say this at the beginning of every video. Um, I am not a investment advisor. Uh, any of that. I'm just somebody that uh trades, but I am not certified in any way. And I'm just giving out my point of view of the market. All right. So any decisions that you make are your decisions. Don't blame me for shit. Gracias. And let's go, keep on going. So then that is the view that I have on here. It will look something like this if it goes all the way up there, and this could um if we zoom into this four, this could just tank. It could just keep going down, and if that happens, though, I'm just gonna put this right here. um this would be a perfect sell stop right here. This zone right here. If it breaks this 130, 500, it is possible. No, it's not possibly. Once it breaks that, it's going down. So that's another thing to keep in mind. But yeah, I'm looking forward to that retracement. If we have no retracement, then whatever, shit, But Sundays, Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, look for retracement on whatever move you're looking for. So then we're going to USDJPY. On USDJPY, it is beautiful, 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 beautiful pair. I'm gonna clear this pair out so that I can restart this because it looks crazy. All right. Oh, wrong, wrong. Remove all. All right. So, um, give you a quick lesson. Forex. So then, boom, check this out. This is beautiful, man. Beautiful pair. I love to trade it. Uh, one of my favorites. So red is what I use for big, big time frames. Um, so uh, USDJPY is really good at this triple top. Really good all throughout its whole freaking um, this whole market in time frames. So if you go down to the daily right here, you can see this. Uh, man, this is beautiful. This was last year. This was last year right here. Oh my goodness, man, missed out on that. And man, be honest, I missed out on this too. Ain't that some? I said, how could you miss out on that twice? I don't even know how that happens. Wow. Anyways, that's a story for another day. That's part of being a trader. And it was the same pattern. Look at that. History repeats itself. You see that? Boom. History repeats itself. And as it repeated itself back then, it is gonna repeat itself again. Right now, it is on its way back down. If it does a retracement along the way, if it does that retracement, it would end up being, oh, okay. So, yeah, that's zone. So this is what I'm liking for my zone, and this is the zone that it has to break to give me my zone of entry. Really? Serious? All right. So that's what it's looking like on UJ. This low, guys, I think it's just gonna keep on dropping. I think this is just gonna keep on going, to be honest. And once it breaks that, I am selling on this pair. So, um, boom, right there. Give me a nice break. Give me a nice close. Yeah, and it's gone. So that is what we're looking at on this pairs. I'm gonna mark what we think is gonna happen on this one. I really think it's gonna just keep breaking already. Um, and for that trade, uh, uh, it would be uh, same thing. Mm, 4, yeah. So, 1 to 4 as well. If you're looking at entering around that position, um, if not, then you could wait. Because it could, if it breaks that, it will definitely come up here. Definitely come up there, and potential touch here. Diverge. If it doesn't diverge here, if it doesn't do a nice third, because it likes to move in threes. Market loves to move in threes, so just keep that in mind. And if it comes up here, cool. Just we'll keep an eye on here for Tuesday. But other than that, I'm expecting this to just keep on breaking right now. That is what I see in the market right now. And if we zoom out to the monthly, okay, we could, okay. It's in the weekly, I think, actually. Is it? Yes. All right. So right here, it was in a nice funnel. Let me take all this out so you can see it better. It was in a huge funnel, and it broke on that crazy line. The crazy wick you'll see right here. All right, this crazy wick right there, that line, boom, bro, came back up. So a lot of people are like, you know, it's getting back in the zone for the buy. uh I don't know. I'm seeing USD just weaken every day. um you know, I think the index is about to break, going down even more. So I believe that we're about to see a rally, bearish rally, going beyond last year's point. This was last year's um, uh, bearish resistance, support point that it reached. um as soon as it breaks it, that we're good. We're good to go. We are good to go, people. So I believe it's about to break it, and as soon as it breaks this line right here, um as soon as it breaks it again the second time, boom, retouch. Oh man, that's gonna be lit. Boom, retouch, and we're out of there. We're out of there. We are out of there. So it just, even though you know, it just makes perfect sense. Um, but hey, like I said, you know, anything could happen. Just gotta keep an eye on the market. Gotta go with the market. Just gotta go with the market. So that is what we're looking at on USD JPY at the moment. Let's go to Mexico. Oh my goodness, Mexico, 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 Mexico. Mm-mm-mm. All right, vaping. We're vaping, people. Okay, so on this, on this. Oh man, this is a beautiful market. I have a picture. I'll I'll show you some other time. Got to pull out my pictures and all that. But I screenshot this. You know, the trades that I have and stuff. So on this, I saw this M just forming just beautifully after this happened, and it just, oh man. So keep an eye on this what I'm about to show you. Boom, 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 boom. All right, so that right there is a pattern that you need to keep an eye out for, because it hits, man. I'm telling y'all guys, it hits like 90% of the time. So that's a secret nugget I just gave y'all. Okay, and right here you can see it. I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm gonna try to. So boom, 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 boom. Starts going sideways. Starts going sideways. Come on, guys. Bam. This, you know, usually retraces back to this, but it didn't. Kind of did, but not really. Not how I want. Not how I would have wanted to. But either way, boom. You know, you're supposed to be up here type stuff. So I do have an entry that I put up here, and boom, down. Oh man, exit point, exit point here. So there's another one of my strategies that I use. Is I call it the fork strategy, and it goes like this: boom, boom, and this is the last of fork. I don't know, y'all can see that, like a pitchfork, you know, pitchfork strategy. So I know it's not the pitchfork that they put over here. The strategy I just got from staring at the charts for hundreds, if not thousands of hours. So that is my strategy that I guess I created. I don't really freaking know, you know. But that is I don't know if I'm the creator, like, you know, like I created it, you know, like I made it, but I don't know if anybody had created that before me. Other than that, I fucking created that. So anyways, We are gonna keep on going with this. Let me just delete all that. That looks all crazy on my. Oh, come on, come on. There we go. All right. So that's what we're looking at on Mexico. Man, beautiful, beautiful. And Euro-USD. Euro-USD, let me just get all this out of the way. Sorry guys. Should have cleared it out. Guess a little bit before, but whatever. All right. So check this out. Check this out. We're gonna take you to over here. I need y'all to see this. I need y'all to see this. It's very important. On this, we are going to put a trend line. This is on the weekly, guys. Weekly time frame here. All right. So all right. So yeah, I put two trend lines. That's just how I trade. So, anyways, let's go and show you what I wanted to show you. So, when I started trading, we're trading over here in this area, and then we were waiting for it to break, to break either down or back up, and it broke back up over here. Boom, came and touched one more time on that beautiful trend line. Um, came in and touched this. I don't know whether to put a rectangle or a trend line. I'm gonna put a rectangle. So came to touch that support and resistance zone, and then it was just a beautiful trade. Like, come on. So then after that, it came back down right here. So what is about to happen? What is about to happen? And I'm about to show you guys what I think is about to happen. So right here, you go up here. It's on the uptrend, and we put it there. So where is it at? It is at. That. Okay. So it pretty much just got into 61.8 and just, come on, man. Come on. That's just beautiful right there. That's just beautiful. I'm seeing this as an uptrend. I'm seeing this going up already. And the RSI, I am seeing some divergence, and divergence to me is always good. It's always golden. It's always golden. So I'm seeing some weekly divergence there. People who don't know what divergence is, it is when the RSI is doing the opposite. Opposite is going down. Um, and the RSI is going up. So they're doing the opposite instead of following what it's supposed to do. If this is lower, then it'll be lower, and then in situations like that where it's diverged, it is opposite. This is going down. It was a lower low, and right here we have a higher high on the RSI. It is showing some divergence. So with that being said, it is just some more confluence that shows um bulls getting back into power. And okay, so let me see. And right here, I'm gonna go to the monthly, and okay, this is another thing I wanted to show you guys. Look at that beautiful wick right there. I know that a lot of people like that doesn't mean much, but wicks are important. Um, it's not the main thing you should be looking after for a reversal, but it is an important um thing to add to your confluence of indicators. So we are going to go to the daily, and oh man, that looks lit. Let me show you what I had on the other screen. So I mean, before I cleared it out, this is what I had been doing and following, how I had been following uh Euro-USD. So right here it had this. I was waiting on that third touch. And then if you this is how I had it. Oh, come on. All right, 1, 2, 3. All right. So if you go back and you check it out, that's how I had it. That's why. And then if I zoomed in, it was there was this right here that I also had to mark up, and that is what I use to trend lines, because there's always like a trend inside the trend. I'm not sure that makes sense, but I'm sure my traders will understand. And um, I call I call them majors and minors. So this would be my major. Is the main one. This is my minor. Is the one that's bouncing in between them. So that's what I had on there. So it'll either bounce here, or here. Another thing that I had though was this very important zone that had to break out so that we could see this as a buy. And it was this zone. I had to zoom out so you can see how important that zone really is, right here. So it has to break that. um and I mean, this whole thing, so it has to break that. I believe that it is on the way to do that right now, this week. So bullish on Euro-USD, and we're gonna zoom in for an entry on this hourly time frame right here. My times for trading are 1 a.m. to uh 4 a.m., and then 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. And I'd like to see what the market is doing 8 p.m. to like 10ish. But trading wise, 1 to 4, and always check the market in the AM, because that's another thing. That's another, but um yeah, 10 a.m. is a really good time too. Um, so I don't know. I'm not gonna get all into that right now in this video, but yeah, let's go to what I was saying. So right here, yeah, I'm gonna put this first. So right here, I am looking for the break of this. As soon as this breaks, man, we're going long. We're going long. And if it doesn't break, then we are not going long. We are not going anywhere at all yet. We're going down. So like I said, go with the market. I'm expecting that to freaking break and skyrocket, but if it doesn't, then I'm just gonna keep it cooling, because well, that's how you lose a lot of money. So we are gonna expect something like this, maybe going down, boom, and maybe mess around here or whatnot. If not, just this itself, be divergence. I enter in the 5 and the 15 minute time frames. Just me personally, that's where I look for the entries. Where would I look for it? As soon as it gets somewhere in this area, somewhere in this zone, I am looking for an entry. As soon as it comes back down here, type stuff. As soon as it comes back down here, that's where I'm zooming into the 5 and 15 and looking for an entry tonight. And then this is a good pair for tonight. And then I'm taking it up here. And so if it comes down here, that's a good entry. If it just starts going up here, then just wait for it. Ah, excuse me, people. All right, so if it comes up here, then just keep it cooling, see if it breaks or if it bounces back down. But if it comes down here already right now, like if it doesn't go up there right now, if it just comes down here for a 1 2 third touch, you can zoom into the 15s for that. So if it goes, 1 2, boom. So right here, if it hits that third one, that's a perfect entry. You would take that entry, put a 15 pip stop loss. So it would be a better yet. Here. Let me take all this off. All right. So all right. So once it comes down there, boom, boom. Oh, sorry guys. So that's what I'm looking at. The heck, where did these lines come from? No idea. No idea where they came from. Okay, so oh my goodness. I'm not gonna put them back. I'm just gonna show you this. I'm just gonna put this on here. So we're gonna put the long position. We already said it's gonna come down here. This will be like the third level. It has to go down a little bit lower, than where it's at for a stop hunt. And then this would be, we said 15 pips. We're gonna go for 30 pips. Yeah, 30 pips is really good. So no complaining. And then you're going to 60 pip range, 50, 60 pip range. Once it breaks that, then you keep on rolling it. Like I said, you could expect this to come back down again after it touches here. So you might want to take partials out here if you're in at 5.5 or 0.05 or whatnot. Just take partials from your trade and leave a little bit on there running for the break if it breaks. And if it doesn't, then at least you took some partials, and when it comes down here, you can go in again and get a better entry. So always take profits, guys. Don't fuck around, and lose your money. All right. So right here, it is it is what we're looking for. That is the trade. As soon as it breaks that, yes, we're going long on that. Let me see. This is the trade for the week in my eyes for the moment. 300 pips. It's not bad at all. 30 for 300. That is not bad at all. Be weary on this trade. It can come down here. Um, I believe it won't. But hey, like I said, I am not a professional trader. I am only giving you my view of the market. So risk what you have that won't hurt you, financially, and don't blame me for shit. All right, so thank you guys. And if you have any questions, if you want me to do any specific pairs, let me know. I will be doing other videos with other pairs and posting those. I'm just gonna, post 4 titles at a time though. That way I don't have the YouTube titles full of different pairs. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and if you want to live trade sometime, let me know. I'm thinking about doing that as well. So appreciate you guys watching. See you next time. Hasta la vista, guys.